Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick Hill TV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
This one is for my fans, the flipper muggler. Hear me say, well, I'm thinking for a change. I'm focused on the victim. I'm rehabilitating. I'm trying to earn my way out. I'm thinking for a change. Focus on the victim. I'm trying to cage my rage. I gotta earn my way out. Me already get my GED. I'm a AA degree. I'm a BA degree.
Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and I think that's good. Let's see. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, they had to mention a piece of Flipper Mafia there. You don't know, you give thanks. So you don't know. But a positive note, Flipper, much improved. You don't see it. Yeah, I love the focus, I love the energy, I love the inspiration and I push to the eye books them, you know, see it, and show the youth them say, there's always always time for rethink this whole thing, yeah, and readjust the issue, you know, see it, and take a new approach, as long as the opportunity present itself, because all heap of black youth get that's why the prison system, you know, and the education in there, you know, to be fair. And none of them know, you know, they must rebel still and waste time. Not that rebellion is a waste of time, but as I say, them them spare time, them not do not with education. But anyway, big respect to Flipper Mafia for the inspiration. One of the most positive things me ever see you do. Seeing, we give thanks. Seeing? But what may I say? May I watch Nation, may I watch Cliff Hughes. I may say Beverly Manley give a reasoning and thing. Happy birthday, Beverly Manley Anderson. Yeah, because she turned 80 today. So we give thanks to that. See, again, you know, I mean, somebody ask what Beverly Manley do for black woman or woman in Jamaica in general. I think you shouldn't ask because the documents are there. Rather than ask certain public questions when you can go privately research it for yourself, it kind of, may I say, diminishment of one's characters or intelligence because, again, So, Peter Phillips, again, coming out of the thing and Peter Phillips not sound senile, you know. Seeing, but he might make some little moves that were seems rather ridiculous, particularly at this time in the electoral atmosphere. You see it. Peter Phillips come out and make a statement and talk about people undermine him and people who should have performed. Everything what him say are true, you know. Yeah, you don't know. But again, yeah, in the face a defeated PNP party scene, which is just clownism as far as I'm concerned. You see, we never say anything like this before. You see, now the president of such defeat scene, which can be attributed to his non-performance as a leader, regardless of whatever conflict, arise within your own and thing where you manage. Are your feelings? Are you for deal with that? Are you for handle that? Are you for have that balance? You know, see. So again, from Portia Simpson days come right up till now, no disrespect to the general. You know, see. We respect the eye, but the truth is the truth. Whereas the eye resign, you know, the eye try to fix enough of the damage or any of the damage them with the eye cast through indiscipline in your own party. You see it, which is a blatant, me no know, example of, you know, no consequence behavior and thing like that, to be fair. You know, see, you rebel against Portia Simpson, the same thing happened to you with Bunting Daring and Golin, the financial entity. You see it, and them take you out. You see it now, after them time for do them thing, and come back, you come back with the same, resurrect the same atmosphere, same thing. We know, you know, say, everybody knows, say, reignite them all fame. Without a doubt, you remind the same people, them say, remember this, them boy, them house still. You see it, and a time now for them, stand up back against them guy. It's a dolly house. Do not take the PNP party for your own little playground. Or not throw on a rackle out on a pram and I play with poor people emotion in the heights of abject dictatorship and you know, it petty. You see, it's a disgrace. It's a joke. It's a laughing matter. You see, them little petty strategy that big man Peter Phillips come back with there, like they had to go with that. Not do that. I idiot thing that. That big idiot thing that you must have assessed the nature of things and the time as well and know what you do, the damage what it can do. You see, regardless of how positive, because up to now, nobody still not hear you give no indication or no encouragement or no advice or try, you know, inject no level of furor in the fanfare in the campaign, the new campaign we're all for going. You see, that be a defeatism. Whoa, you're a big idiot thing that come like a some. Allow me, let me do that, man. That come like a some boyfriend and girlfriend jealous game I go out. That's a Peter Phillips. But I respect that rest. And when it all done then, you know, and when poor people are going to have a strong opposition, a meaningful opposition, a reputable opposition to challenge any status quo that they might think does not run align with their agenda. You know, because poor people have their own agenda, different from party agenda these days, you know, which is something we have to acknowledge. So when these people are going to get this representation where they need, you just see it. It is so evident that we see a new party just flare up out of the view, the UIC just jump up out of the view, so vroom, and them act like they are formidable competition for the PNP this day than anything else, and if not for everybody. You see it, and you still have them in fighting business they are going with dinner. It's like it's a sacrifice. Man, them put the PNP party on an altar star and make it as a sacrifice to some like the political gods. You see it. Never see anything like this. It seems purpose as well. This doesn't look like an accident. It does seem like an accident. It does seem like an accident. And the thing about it, Peter Phillips does sound nowhere in, you know, like incapacitated. Man sound functional. You see, it's not a mistake. This is well calculated. You see it. And in my book, I hear that thing that Peter Phillips. I humorate. I give you a rating still. You see it. But I like what you do with Portia. Because again, you know, the whole observation of the whole thing, you have to look upon it and say, a party is a party. You see it. And from a man I go be you know, a man I go, you know, if we do that to anybody, if we betray anybody if it doesn't from a soldier, you do that to one and we do it to all. Whereas I feel more ambition and them things they're not like say much try to save the masses. I feel more ambition. You see it. And then here it comes again, Rasta. You see it, you have to look upon it say some strong level of indiscipline upon Peter Phillips' part, Rasta. No disrespect. The man you have to accept and appreciate certain things. You see it. You have to put it. You see the JP and JP them put Brogard on a pedestal and put him above themselves. You see it. You going on what them think Brogard argument, Brogard thing stand predominant. You see it. So it look hard for you say you're PNP or over there so on PNP and I observe and I accept and I behave them type of way, yeah, it's defeatism because while the opposition I put them leader before even the party's agenda, I put everything I put on yourself before whole party, which is why I know so the club thing design and also the governmental political thing designed for your parades. A big a big clown business that a laughing matter. It come like one more, like says another comedy series the election here gonna be star. See, come see all Mark Golding stand up there like, the people them come like the most to use all them swag against him in the election. And bro, God definitely target him swag, because I'm just too straight. Him just look like him head there, so I do it thing, and him body just, in a freeze motion. See, and I just him head and him mouth. Sometimes I just him mouth. You don't know, no animation, no dead, no art, no connection, no emotional connection, no, to come out of him mouth in regards to him cause or him claim. See it, and all of them things there. Defeat is him. See it. It's like you're not confident enough to communicate your belief. Why? Is it because it's not true? See it, because Bunting, Deering, and Goldman, see it, and the people them know say all of the politicians them were involved, all of the big wig them and from the members of the PSOJ them and them you did give back the FinSac relief fund too. Poor people don't get none. See, so that your reputation that and may I rise it again, because this can't worse than what Peter Phillips Yo, Peter, I hate that thing that Mr. Peter. I beg that. Yo, man, I worry I don't want to stop. And then I think of peace and safety and sudden destruction. It can't be no better still, because really and truly, people just there and laugh. Because at the end of the day, we swap Black Dog for Monkey when we get Bunting and Golding back the whip, Well, if people take it from Brogan and get Bunting and Golding, we are known vampire Rasta. If it, boy, I mean, I know. I don't even know what PNP reached this coming. This coming like, no credibility. This try, this is the end of a legacy Rasta. See it? You have to hurry up and recoup before this reach hell. See it? Because we know what hell all of them political parties are going to eventually anyway. But you know what I say? This is like a turbocharge. We no Rasta. We the one are funny, proper funny as a political observer. Because I am man is a keen observer of politics, regardless of how intricate it might get and how misunderstood or ununderstandable it might be at times, I am still a keen observer of the workings of politics. See it, and in other cases, I observed this on the last time, I said it, I tell the man them say I better them put in. No, it's not a joke. A joke. Politics is a joke these days, as a matter of fact. I can't, based on the people them who practice it. See, the principle itself is not a joke, but the guy them who practice it make it seems that way. See. And if you go observe, say, well then, you look on the fact and say, well then, out of everybody where they see him applicable for the position of leader, you have to do it as a business. You have to take people who can make representation, people who, I would have said Damian Crawford or Lisa Hanna. Lisa Hanna, I said first and foremost. I think Damian Crawford need more training in being, tact diplomacy and things like that. And you know what I said? Yeah. But I thought Lisa Hanna, with the support of the vast experience where we're in the PNP party, see, and it would obviously develop a certain level of fanfare amongst a demographic that is lacking. It would reignite a sense of, following, because at the end of the day, you have to remember where it start feel from. See, so it's a business. So revisit that somewhat naturally. You see, bring back a woman in the thing. Come settle on things and create a balance. You see, rather than flinging some guys now where it's just be a conflict. You see, male testosterone a throw about and egoism. Rich boys at play while poor people in dismay. You see it? You see it? So I them thing they are going on. While I intended or awful, they wanna be dictator. That's a wield power, abuse power in the wildest way possible because he's being supported to do so given the circumstance where manifests itself today in the atmosphere and things like that. You know what I say? Yeah. So without opposition, without credible opposition, because the whole of them have secret, you can't. Brunton there in Angola can't hold water in front of in terms of corruption and them sort of sitting there in front of. And yet to see them or feel confident in them challenging any level of corruption in a politics these days. May I expect them to make it worse. You know see, them man they already dirty. You know see, sticky finger them guys they already have. Them guys they can't no show no penchant for be honest. You know see, okay, what? We are idiot? You are most idiot. Freely there and expect say anything better would have gone. So it's a joke to sit back and watch. And Peter Phillips know as well. You know see, so Peter Phillips just knows that boy, he was like him. Everybody just tell themselves as you know, better swap the black dog for the monkey. I better Golden go and run it. Better GLP go and run it. You see it? And everybody get punished. You punish Peter Phillips last election with your you know. So here comes Peter Phillips. So you know say is you know the other election here, the coming election here go. You know how this go. This go unchallenged again because I don't really think say the fight done yet. The infighting. You see, because I remind Peter Phillips come remind, oh, you know, remember on the sabotage my election, you know. I found the time now, you know, sir. I might, you know, see, so it's a bad game amongst men. You see, it's a powerful man game. It's not nothing to do with poor people. It has never been that way for the longest while. For decades, PNP government has never been really about poor people politics anymore. You know, see it. So, but this time it's like the game is not about any form of politics. It's like the game is just about having diplomatic immunity to travel and have access. It's like that's all it's about. You know, see, that's all Mark Golding care about, and Peter Bunting and Jeering and all of them were involved in this thing. All them care about is for them welfare, for them private individual welfare. You see it when you hear them speak of themselves and things like that. You know, nobody not challenge bro got millions where you might get a year as wage. You know, see it while poor what this thing that man is all game set made and you know, come like say, it come like a bro got put gold and Bunting there. So. It come like a JLP put them there. You know, see it? So eliminate the competition by making the competition, being your own competition type of thing. Like our marketplace. And nowadays marketing are going type of thing. You know, see, yeah. Facebook just buy out WhatsApp and everybody has a potential competition around him. You know, see, yeah. So, yeah. It's simple. Can't look on it no other way because, yes, Rasta. Peter Phillips, man. Peter Phillips come start up a soap opera, open up back a wall. I knew it was gonna happen. Anyway, make you watch the saga. You see it? I give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. Rastafari.